not because of you. I won't be feeling this way. This is true. My brother, that's so cool. That's why I sing this song for you.
Rugged Man, Two-Face, M.I. Hey, see, I see life like a mirror. I wipe it so I can see clearer. I'm the #1 beef glow wearer. I push it away, but it keeps coming nearer. Wherever I go, haters can remember we evil. Like I'm the exorcist, all I can be evil, Knievel. You're letting your envy eat you. I see you like I'm wearing a see-through. It's obvious that it's easy for me to straight defeat you, but I won't, cause I don't go into useless banter. I'm out to leave a historical mark like the Black Panther. I can end it like the rapper, but choose to write scriptures. Choose to leave a learning chapter for rappers who will come after. Brother stepped on the stage and he rocks like Zuma. I exploded way back, you're still trying to blow like Uma. So Huma, get the audacity to jump on this track with me and hit the city like 4
Cause it's not because of you. I won't be feeling this way. This is true. My brother, that's so cool. That's why I sing this song for you.
Yo, Rugged Man, Two-Face, this the M.I. Yo, riddle me this, little me is literally this. The epitome of hip-hop, and now it's my lyrics they love. So will it be silly to Philly the fans? Cause really, no M.I. without them lifting me higher. See, love is there whether the weather from up above or cheddar is better. See, it don't matter, we get our love. My fans love me like the Gunners love your team. Through bad years, we hold the dream. If it wasn't for the fans, my mans, my J-Town boys, I gotta hang with Rugged Man. No be y'all, no be noise. See, I'm nothing if not for you. Now I'm thinking about cracking the top 4. I remember seeing Two-Face in my mind. Hook. Now I'm rapping on the verse, Two-Face is on the hook. You saying M.I., yo, he must be a crook. How he stole the spotlight, he got the game shit.
If it's not because of you, I won't be feeling this way. This is true. My brother, that's so cool. That's why I sing this song for you. This is true.
Yes, it's Mr. Incredible and Mr. Controversial. Quick to hit the stage and blow it up with no rehearsal. Am I not the one feeding you tracks like morsels? Handing out bad hits cause we're here to lyrically hurt you. And also, patience they say is a virtue. This track is packed for our fans and more so. All the people writing and texting, tweeting and Facebooking. We're tested and trusted, that's why we leave the stage shaking. Born rugged like a man, no war. Rappers wanna battle but they want no war. With a revolutionary, evolutionary, Charles Darwinist, AK-47 spitter. I get around with this lyrical pro activist. Morrison couldn't map with his cat, who couldn't get a thumbs up from hitchhiking critics. They see me and Papa with no spinach. Two-Face, M.I. Rugged on one track, he don't finish.
It's not because of you. I won't be